Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error, which is the app you're trying to install isn't Microsoft verified app here in your Windows 11. So have you tried to install any of the program or application and this error occur or appear? Then in this video, I'll teach you how to fix it. Without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, a best match would appear. Double tap to it and wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. You can also use the shortcut which is Windows and I key together, and that will lead you to the settings. Again, press Windows and I key together, and with that you would be able to open settings. Okay. So once you are here at the settings, look at the left side of it. You can see a list of the options. Here, you need to look for apps, which is next to personalization. Tap on it so that you would be able to see the apps tab. Okay. Here, you can see a very first option, which is installed apps. And next to it is advanced app settings, where you can choose where to get apps, archive apps, and uninstall updates. Now tap on it, and the moment you have tapped it, you would be able to see a list of the options. Here, you need to look for the very first of it, which is choose where to get apps. And aligning to that, you would be able to see an option here. Okay. Now click this down arrow and set it into anywhere. Now, the reason why you get an error is that you have set it into the Microsoft Store only. That's why when you try to install a specific program or application, the error occurs or appears. So this is being set, which is the Microsoft Store only, which is the recommended one. Yes, it's safe, but in order to install any application from any platform that you have downloaded it, okay, you just have to click on the down arrow and go with anywhere. Your user account control will ask you to say yes, go with yes, and here it will be set. Once you're done, close this window and try to install again the application that you have downloaded not in the Microsoft Store. So do a right click, go with run as administrator, and your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, and there you have that. You can now install the program that you wanted to install with. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.